Celestia is exploding. Everybody is talking about all the upcoming airdrops, and the price is going insane. In this video, we're going to go over the price, where I think TIA is going, and how to qualify, step by step on getting the next airdrops with Celestia. So if we look into their ecosystem, here are some of their partners, some pretty great ones, and there's a lot of talk about upcoming airdrops. So we want to qualify for those airdrops. As we've seen, it's extremely profitable. Before I show you guys step by step on how to qualify for the airdrops, we're going to go over the price quickly. So if you need to buy TIA, you can go on Binance or any other major exchange. If we take a look on CoinMarketCap, right now it's up 9% for the day. If you take a look at market cap, almost 2 billion. It's sitting at number 40 out of all crypto coins. So if you take a look right here at the Celestia markets, you can go to Binance, Coinbase, OKX, BYBIT, KuCoin, pretty much any exchange you can go and buy this on. So let's jump right to the graph. And I keep going to Binance, but let's BYBIT, But if we take a look at the TIA price action, it's just slayed. It has came from a low of $2 and it's up 450%. If you were staking Atom or Osmos or both of them, you would have got an airdrop. I was moving to Dubai and I actually think I qualified, but the airdrop redemption is down now, and the timeline for me to claim them is over. So that I'm a little bit salty on that. A little bit late to this, I'm not gonna lie, but I got a little TIA staked. You will want to stake other tokens as well, like Inj, Atom, Osmos, to try and get as much airdrops as possible throughout this bull market. So if we take a look at the bottom of Inj, you can see that it's done at 3,000%. So Inj is also at a 3 billion market cap. What I'm trying to say is Celestia, with all the hype, with the strength, it still has room to go. This is the daily chart, and I mapped up some areas that I think are great places to start looking for to buy if we pull back. Right now you can see some weakening. We aren't making any more higher highs and higher lows. It looks like we're pulling back here. Market structure has broken a little bit, and Bitcoin's slightly getting weak as well. It's just consolidating. So if we can get a pullback into this moving average area, and that's the $8.50, that would be my first shot. I'm going to be getting a nice size into TIA. I'm looking for coins this cycle that have a ton of hype, that have a ton of room to grow. The narrative's great. Everybody wants to stake TIA. Everybody wants to earn airdrops. And I think people are slowly getting there right now. If you take a look at the RSI, we have been on a downtrend while price has been in an uptrend. So I do think that price is a little bit overextended. If you look at Inj though, it's up 30% today. It's not stopping, making new highs, in price discovery mode. So I want to stake some Inj, but I don't buy on huge breakouts like this. I'm going to wait for a pullback. If it came back and retested its all-time high, that's such a large pullback. I don't think we'll see $20 unless Bitcoin pulls back to 30,000. Then we might get an extremely great buying area. And if we do get major pullbacks, then $7 would be a great buy area. So if we go about minus 30%, $8.60. If we come down 44%, $7. And I don't think we'll see this. This is a dream, a dream punt. Get everything in as you can in TIA at $5.40. We are seeing a huge hammer right here, which is pretty bullish, honestly. You can see that the buyers stepped in right there, but I'm not too convinced. I wanted to buy some for this video to stake more and just do it live. We'll stake a little bit, but I don't want to just ape in for video purposes, and that's what I usually do, but I really want to get a great entry and I want to get some decent size in. So this is where I think we have a good chance of going $8 and 60 cents, maybe more so the $9 area. I wouldn't hesitate. I'll start slowly getting in there. I'll average my buys. But let's look for the upside now. We are going to go on a larger time frame right here. You see, we are still in the midst of making a higher high. Like, we don't have any sort of pullback right now. So that is why I think we can make that higher low. I don't know how deep we go. We could retest these lows right here, or this could be it. It could have been that $11 mark right here. The $11 mark. But I'm going to wait it out a little bit to see if we could get a deeper higher low to continue up. So if we are looking for upside right here, I'll take the low right there and I'll go to the higher high right here. And my first targets would be $16, but I would be actually looking at like a $23 target throughout the next couple months. And the halving hasn't even happened. So we want a deep pullback as low as we could go. The $10 mark would be beautiful. If we do get down to $8.50, that would be insane. That would be a really great buy. And then we're targeting $16 and $23. Let's move on to how to stake. We are going to the Kepler wallet. We are going to go and open up our portfolio. It's a lot easier to do it like this. It's maybe the only way to do it actually. But so you can see here, you can select the chain. You have all your assets right here. I have my Atom and my Oswald right here, and then the Celestia. So what I'm going to do is you come right here, stake, and we will pick one of the top 20 validators. You're not going to give one that is giving you taking 20% commission or 100% commission. That means they're taking all of your staking earnings. So we're not going to do that. We're going to pick one in the top 20, something with generally low fees, and we'll pick a decent one, like one with 5%. Polkachu. Sounds like Pikachu. Let's go ahead and stake. So there's an unbonding period of 21 days. You can take a look at all the information here. We are going to stake 0.1. And as soon as it comes into my entry, I'm going to BYBIT. If you don't have a BYBIT account, sign up below. Also hit the subscribe button because I'm going to follow up on more airdrop videos and how to airdrop Inj extremely easy, the same way like we're doing so right now for Tia. And the goal is that with the amount you get from staking, with the amount we think it's going to move upwards, and everything you get from the airdrops, you should be able to cover your initial. So if you're putting $2 or $3 or $4 or $5,000, or maybe even a little bit less, we're hoping that all of the airdrops added together will be enough to cover your initial. Like, it'll be profitable, plus with the price moving upwards. That's the whole goal, to be honest. I'm not sure if we were able to stake that. Awesome. That is staked. You can see I have 0.5 TIA now. The amount of staked is 10.2, and I'm going to be buying more as soon as it pulls back. And if it pulls upwards, then I might just ape in. But I just wanted to do a quick video on how to qualify. It's easy as that. So you might need to stake a few more assets. People are stressing that it's important to stake as many of the tokens as possible to, build that airdrop power, to get as much possible from these airdrops. And we'll be updating this as much as possible. You can join the Discord for free. I highly suggest hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any opportunities. Quick video on how to stake TIA, what I think TIA is going to go to in terms of price, and hopefully where it pulls back so we can ape in good. Have a great day, guys. Hit the subscribe button and stay safe trading.